Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to change your Facebook password. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments, and let us get started. So, first of all, we need to go to our Facebook. Then, when we get on it, here at the bottom, in the right-hand corner, if you have an iPhone, you click on the menu. If you have an Android, that button will be on the top right. So we click on Menu. Next, we click on the gear. And now we need to go into the Meta Account Center. This is the very first window that we get. We click on it. And next we go to Password and Security. Now we select the first option to change the password. Next, we select the page that we want to change the password. And now you and I need to enter in the very first line the password that you already have on Facebook. First, you have to enter the old password. And then you enter the new password. And the third time, you re-enter the new password, which is the old password that you have now. The new password and the new password again. But I want to remind you that your password must be at least 6 characters long. It has to include numbers, letters, and also these special characters that you can find on your keyboard. If you click on the numbers, you can choose any of these symbols. This is a prerequisite for a Facebook password. And after that, you just click on Change Password. And your password will be changed immediately. So that's how easy it is for you to change your Facebook password. Hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to give us your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.